Debbie Bell-Hosking of Finextra, and I'm talking to Nanda Kumar, the CEO of SunTec. Hello, Nanda.
Hi.
You are the CEO.
Yeah.
Digital transformation is important on CEO's agenda. Why is that?
So we all know that the future is only digital. The entire business, the entire universe is going to be conducted in a digital world. So it's a transformation every organization has to be made. And it has to be the number one priority for any CEO, and for that matter, a bank CEO.
What would you say your view is on the state of digital transformation in the financial services?
Right. See, let me look at this question from the overall digital transformation happening across the world within the context of Industrial 4.0. If I really look at the biotechnology, the material sciences, and in all other industries, they have gone way ahead and really embraced the digital transformation. Compared to that, the banking industry is still a way miles apart. And of course, there are a lot of adoption of blockchain and people get lost a little bit on those. But today they are realizing the real need for that, and they are sort of stepping up. If I had to take a position on that, definitely there's a long way to go.
I mean, there have been transformation projects that have failed. So what do you think the stumbling blocks are for banks on that transformation journey?
Yeah. So banks have adopted multiple transformation journeys. Number one has been the core replacement, which went on with completely rip and replace approach. And we know there is reports that more than 50% of that has failed. Then it is, of course, the digital channel and the customer experience part of it. Of course, that has been successful. Even that is rated only 50% success because it didn't have the necessary intelligence to contextualize customers' experience. So if I really look at that, it is the lack of flexibility or agility at the right place, which is what caused many of these projects to fail.
So picking up on that, what can we do now? What can we do differently?
So the most important thing is that when you talk about flexibility, the flexibility has to be at the right place. When you're converging a customer experience, you can, let us say, we provide a wonderful user interaction or user experience to customer, and they are doing a fund transfer. If that money does not reflect in your account within seconds after that happened, that is taking time, the experience is lost. So that is a kind of intelligence which is missing out in the whole deployment today. That is a middle layer which we are talking about. So having a capability where the middle layer, without touching the core system, you bring that agility is the way forward.
So Nanda, what is Accelerated Digital Core and how can it help banks?
It is the middle intelligence required at the middle layer without affecting your core functionalities, which is already performing wonderfully well, and providing the meaningful context to the front end function. So this is about the capabilities of cross products, pricing, and augmented customer profiles, and these are the kind of capabilities which is required in the horizontal layer, which is called a system of engagement. That is the functionality which this Accelerated Digital Core is offering.
Nanda, thank you so much for sharing your views on digital transformation.
It is my pleasure. Thank you for having me here. Thank you.